Hi there, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. Today I'm here with our Smash or Stash collab, and I want to show you what I smashed. So the theme this month was 3D. So I took that to mean chipboard was three-dimensional. It's not flat. And I had these cute chipboard faces because I had had some of the matching paper collection, but I never used these. So I actually had 5 of them. And look, I smashed 3 of them. So they weren't complete, they weren't entirely full, but I was able to use up this, so now I can take these and throw them out. Wish I could have used more, but let me show you what I made with them. And I'm going to start from the back. So I made a chipboard little mini album. Isn't he adorable? So you can see this is where I put those three-dimensional ones. And besides using those chipboard elements, I also used chipboard from my stash. I used these rings. I used some of these. These were cut up parts from a collection. So I used a bunch of stuff. So I like this page design. I think this one looks cute. And that one came out adorable also. That's chipboard, that's chipboard, that was some of the writing from that one little collection. The idea of this is he's sitting in his dad's suit that he got married in. So that's why it looks like a crazy pile of stuff, and that's why he's wearing his tie. And I had that printed in black and white just because I thought it was a cute photo, and then afterwards I realized that really matched nicely with those two guys. So that I like. Then we go on, and this page is okay. This one I'm not so nuts about. It just isn't as cohesive as this one, in my mind. I mean, it still matches, and I was able to use some of the chipboard. This one is not pretty at all. I mean, he's cute, but it's pretty busy. I think as it got smaller, I just kept putting stuff on, and I should have kept it simple. But yeah, that's the chipboard. So is that. And then on the cover, it's got the rest of no, I can't say the rest of it, because on the back page, that's where I put the ones that I could not use in the book. And I glued the heck out of them because I figured this is a book that he can have and look at pictures of himself. And I've made books for his sisters, so I thought he could have his own. I'll just super glue this closed so that'll stay in one piece. So that's what I used. The chipboard phrases and chipboard stickers, and smashed 3 ones that are now completely empty. So check back with me next month and see what I was able to smash next month. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.